friends, so for my last layout for Mini Kit Monday for August 2020, these are the papers I have left, which it's not a bad amount, but definitely not a lot. So what I thought I would do is see if I want any of these cards. Probably no bad days would work. I can punch out from these pieces, from all of these pieces, and what I think I'm going to do is use my large star punch to punch out whatever I can, right? Then I need to find some kind of a pattern paper that I like that might be a little bit more on the subtle side. To scrapbook this photo right here of my view the other day of my dog looking at me laying on my lap. So there's my leg like a frog, but this is him just kind of staring at me, looking really not super bright, but really cute. So the kids liked it. Awesome. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do a bunch of stars here. Now I have glitter alphas. I've got this set by Ellie Studio that are in teal. And I also have these two sticker sheets. Now, if you remember, this is the kit that I put together to play also along with Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds. So I have used it well, without a doubt. I used it for the layouts for, let's see, so for the 4 layouts for Mini Kit Monday, and I also used it for another video. So that is all kinds that I was able to get done with these goodies, and these were all from my stash. So that makes me ever so happy and lucky. So I'm going to go ahead, like I said, get that, come up with a title. I mean, get the 12 by 12. I need a background sheet. Come up with a title, and I'll come back to you when I have a little bit better idea what's going on. So quick check-in again. I punched out all my stars, and I went ahead and inked all my edges. I inked the edges of my pattern paper background, well, my Vicky Boutin mixed media background, and all the stars, so they kind of look like they went together. Now I'm looking at my photo, and I have a nice white border around it, but I still don't have, it's just not popping enough. So I went into my scraps and I found this piece by Shimelle called Field Trip. I'm going to do a nice thin little border with that, ink the edges of that. I know I'm going to do that and still have it sitting there. I pulled my title from my alphas, and it's just going to be My Sweet Boy. And then all we have left to do is go through these little bits here and see if I can get anything to work with this layout. And I'm also going to go ahead and pop each of the stars up on a little bit of foam mounting tape. I'm trying to use these up. These were from the dollar store, and yeah, it's an adhesive I am trying to use up to get out of my craft room. So I'm on a bit of a mission with that. All right, so I'm going to do this bit of work and then bring you back, and we get to do the fun decorative bits in a minute. All right, so I have all the stars affixed, and they are all on a little bit of foam. Got my title on with 2 different fonts, but they're both gold. Difference being one has a little bit, well, I mean, it's totally a different font, but one just has tan foam, one has aqua foam, which is the same colors that are in the stars. So as things go, I'm almost done. I'm also going to make sure to remember to bring in my gold mist to finish it off, so the gold isn't just behind things. I'm going to want to have that front and center shortly. Now what I'd like to do is see what goodies I can use to enhance this photo. Okay, that's adorable. There is, and it's a perfect length. Okay, I can get these cute little hearts on here, right underneath his little chubby self. You know what I could do? I know, actually it's not the perfect length. I just noticed that. What I could do is kind of chomp it right about there. Oops, I'm sorry. I just sent that flying. All right, I can chop it about there. Let me put that down. We're going to hide the one piece right there. Then I'm going to go like that with the rest of it and kind of hide it under there so you can't see that as much that they're not the right length. Okay, not a big deal. All right, so then this is just a little sticker piece. Oh gosh, might be too late for me. There we go. It's a half of my little rainbow piece. I used a bunch of this rainbow stuff on my previous Mini Kit Monday layout. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put that there because it's cute and it's rainbowy. Good, 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 good. So let's see what else. What else works for a puppy dog layout? Now I would use the arrow, but I don't have any harsh black on here, so I don't want to bring that in. Hope that makes sense. Do you? I like this little yes, please. I can go ahead and tuck that right there. Cute. Don't have any deep green. I don't have pineapple stuff going on. All right, so that's, oh my goodness. I just saw a sticker that reads sweet with a popsicle on it. I'm going to let that, let's see, I'm trying to figure out where it should, see, I don't want it to read my sweet boy sweet. That doesn't work. So I think I'm gonna just let it go on the curve. Okay, so that I think is really, really, really it for this. Okay, so let's see what I have in my Bloom Street collection that would work. All right, this darker purple's not in things. This pink is though, but I don't know if I want to bring in hearts. Feeling fine, so much fun. Be you. Be you is applicable. Mason always just is his own person. Should I put it right there? Okay, now I can do that. And I don't know why that makes sense to me to put it there. Ah, you know what I should do? You know what I should do? I should hit it with just a little inky stuff there. Now the yes please and the other sticker, they're those kind of shiny stickers, so they don't take ink that well. But this will, because it's more of the flat paper. Awesome. Daydreamer doesn't make sense. Best day ever is not bad. Although I don't know exactly what would be the best days for a puppy that sleeps most of the time. I say puppy, but he's going to be 4 in August. All right, so, where do you guys think? Oh, maybe right here. That's a good spot. Okay. We've just got to hunt for spots sometimes. So I am telling you, for the most part, this is done. It's so funny, like I'll be working on something and I'm like, and it's done. So I'm going to go ahead. Do I like the orangey color or the yellow color, or should I just kind of go for it? I'm going to go ahead and start just popping some of these yellow enamel dots between things. It just occurred to me, I don't want to do all small, all big. Like, you know, like small, 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 then big, big, big. So I have to vary these things just a little tiny bit. And I have another set of these right here if I run out. I just thought it would be kind of fun to have them a little bit of texture / dimension between things. There we go. One here. Oh, we made it. And look, I'm using up all my yellows. That's awesome. So in that case, I'm going to go ahead and put these little orange guys on this one so I can be done with one of these sheets. So I didn't use it up, but then again, I had 2 half sheets. So I don't know, maybe I did. All right, so let's go ahead and, oops, I found another orange one. I went rogue. I'm going to cover Mason's little face, do a little bit of bold mist, and we're going to call this done. I think it might be that the background was pretty much done for me. And, oh, I got this background, by the way, from my little scrapbook store. Michelle, the owner there, she was super nice and sent it to me. And I was so excited because I had only ever had one of the pieces of these mixed media papers before. But boy, do they get a layout done quick for you. So super excited. Didn't even know I was going to be using it today. So what I'm doing here now is what I said a couple minutes ago, is I'm just making sure that I get some of this gold on top of some of the stars as well, because there's gold on the bottom, but I want it to all meld together like it's kind of an on purpose thing. So let me make sure that it's dripping on the stars too, not just around them. Let's see, almost there. All right. So let me show you the final, and that will be it for my Shimelle's Best of Both Worlds fun for August, even though I know she's still going to be carrying on for a minute, or maybe she won't. I don't know. We'll see. But I used up my kit like nobody's business, to the point that I had to bring in another background sheet. I hope you like what I did. I'll have the other Mini Kit Monday links down below for all of my gal pals there. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Bye, friends.